Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Hope you all are doing fine wherever you are in the world today. So, I am going to unbox a new HP laptop. I already cut this part off, so we will not be using sharp object. I'll just rip it off here. Hold on. Oop. There. Just rip it off. Where's the tape? Oop. Okay. And we have it here. Ta-da! Okay. We'll pull the cord first. Here's the charger, the cord, and here's the laptop. Whoops. Pull it out. Whoops. Your manual. What's in the box? These setup instructions. And the warranty paper. Okay, I think that's all in the box. This is where the cord was, and this is where the laptop and the paperwork. So I'll put this away, and here's our laptop. Small, and it's protected with a styrofoam on the sides. Put this away. Oops, I hope I'm showing the full view of the laptop. And it's covered with, it's wrapped with a bag. See, it's still sealed. So I'm going to rip this off. There you go. Wow, it's cute. It's like a little bigger than my iPad. See? This is the size. Where's the ruler? Here. Size is 11 inches. Thank you for tuning in. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you. See? It's only 11 inches. In the back, it's half an inch. Oh, it's not even half an inch here. It's very thin. Look. And it's light. If you have an iPad Air, I think this is just a little, like maybe 1 gram heavier. Yeah, let's hold on a second. That's the warranty paper. The setup instruction. This is very important to follow. So, setup instructions rather. Number 1, we have to plug in. Number 2, turn it on. 3, select the network icon in the lower right corner of the taskbar and then connect to one of the available networks. So we have here, let's go check the laptop first. So we'll plug it in a little while. The parts. Well, hold on, let's follow the instruction. I'm gonna pull this out of the bag. It's Velcro. Sorry for the mispronunciation. And I have, I need to get the cord fixed first. I'm gonna plug this in. See, that's what it looks like. If you will be wondering what it looks like. Push it down. This is 45 watts HP. Hold on, it's very small. The input, oh, 5 volts. For the output, 5 volts. Huh, it's so hard. My eyes are getting blind joke. Hopefully not. Let me plug this in. Oops. Our extension doesn't fit. I think I have to use this. We have this plug here. Let me unplug the printer first. This is the closest plug that I can use. I hope this won't I think I can use this because I was able to plug the printer. This is our Milwaukee charger, and then plug this thing. This is where you plug it in. Okay, we'll see. This is number 9 is the internal microphones. Number 1 rather. When you open it, ooh, we have this protective film or something, paper thing. Protects the keyboard and the screen. Okay, getting to know our laptop. Number 1 is the internal microphones. It's in here, the internal microphones. It's on this side. Number 2, wireless antenna. It's on this side, the wireless antenna. Next, number 3 is the touch pad, the touch pad here. Am I right? No. Number 3, this one. Sorry about it. This is the touchpad. Number 4, these are the keys. This one is the Windows key. Number 5 is the camera. Camera there. See that? That's the camera. Number 6, here on the side of the laptop. Number 6 is it's the HDMI port. This side, HDMI port. Number 7, this one is the USB type C port. Oh, if you have, I don't know, I have excuse me, a phone I bought in the Philippines. It's Oppo. I don't know if you're familiar with that. The port of that is C port. So if you can plug it here. And then number 8 is the power button and light. This one. That's the power button and light. Number 9 is the USB port, which is this one. You can plug the USB port. Oh, you can plug the USB on this port, in this port. And the small hole here, as you can see, there's a little mark there. It's a little sign. That's the audio. You can put your headphones there. Audio out and audio in. The audio out, headphone. Audio in, microphone. Combo pack. That's neat. Next, we'll go to the other side. Other side of the laptop. When you're facing, it's on the right side, facing the laptop. 11, we also have another USB port. So you have 1 and 2 USB ports. 12 is the security cable slot. This one, that's the security cable slot. There's a small hole there. And then 13, next to the security cable slot, is the memory card reader. So you can plug your memory card there. And 14 is where we plug in there. 14 is the AC adapter and battery light. There's a very small hole there. See that? That's the AC adapter and battery light. And then where we plug in, that's where the power connector is. This one. I have to turn this on. Hold on a second. Our charger is not on yet. Give me a second. I think I have to unplug this first and turn this on. See? There's a light, small light there. And then plug it in. There. Right. Next. Find more information. Windows products. To learn more about Windows and to access help topics, select the start button. And then select tips. Okay. You have here. Select tips or get help. If you buy this laptop, you will, you will also get this paper. It's neat. Gestures of the touch. This is the very thing I like on this laptop. It is touchscreen. I'll get you the other one. I'll show you the other one. We have two. We already opened one. This is my husband's and this is mine. So, see? Hold on. It's hibernating because I used it a while ago. See, there's a light here for the button. Power button. I hope it's not low bat. Because I was using it for YouTube. I was playing YouTube. Ah, there you go. See? Touch screen. Hold on a second. There I was watching YouTube. I was playing YouTube. Hold on a second. Let me see. And then it's it is touchscreen. So let me see. Go here. Okay, then you will just touch. There. If you go YouTube, see. Or if you go you will type, what do you want to search? Plants. Just plants. See? And if you are lazy to use a mouse, because you can plug mouse here, the wireless mouse, if you're lazy to use mouse, and then just touch the screen there. See how neat it is? So hopefully this is charging. Let me check. Yep, it is charging. Here, I'll show it to you. See the light, the indicator light there? It is charging. We will turn that on later. We'll plug it in first. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna show you the the one that we already opened. Let me see. Questions about this product. I think I already have a very long video, so we will end up here. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit like, comment nicely, share, and subscribe. If you have questions, I'm going to answer you using this paper here. HP questions about the product. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Bye bye.